Salaam and greetings, humans. Today is January 4th. This is my first day back at work since I was on winter break, and it was also my first day of class. Not bad. I actually spoke in class today, which, if you know anything about me and my tendencies outside of being alone in front of a camera, I'm pretty shy when it comes to new people. But once we get to be familiar, there's no shyness. It's very not boisterous, just less inhibited. Okay, so actually, just about everything I wore today except for this scarf and this underscarf, and I think my shoes my mom bought for me. Not all at the same time, but all gifts from my mom. I got this hijab at a store that was going out of business, and I really liked the color, and I don't have a flat out pink hijab. I have one that's like pink in the middle and ombres out to green at the ends, but that's besides the point. So this is what I wear today. I don't do outfits of the day because I don't consider myself especially stylish, but that's all enough. Okay, so I'm wearing this black sweater from Macy's and this white shirt from Macy's and these wide leg pants also from Macy's, and here's the other leg. And my tennies are from DSW. That's what I got. I don't know. Class went well. I'm in a class called The Fundamentals of Neurobiology. I'm really into neuroscience. I've done neuroscience research for coming up on 3 years now, and two different fields. The one I'm currently in is more neuroanatomy, and the old one was in like animal behavior, trying to look at animals and meditation. So that's what I've been doing. But I don't actually, it's embarrassing, but I don't actually know a whole lot of really basic neuroinformation. I just know what I need to get by. So, and also whatever basic stuff they kind of teach you as you go along with learning stuff in undergrad. In basic biology undergrad, not a neuroscience or neurobio type undergrad thing. So that was okay. I sat in the front center of the class. That was fine. I'm the only hijabi, so I guess the teacher will know my name. I didn't look behind me because I just didn't. It's a lot of work. So I don't know how many other people of a darker complexion there are in my class. At Northwestern there are a lot of Asian students, and I'm not even talking about South Asian, like the browner Asian peoples, but there's a lot of Korean and a whole lot of Chinese, some Japanese, and some mix of some other Asian countries in there, but there's a lot of Chinese students here. My roommate's Chinese, and they have group meetings with other people who went to her school that are here, that they just kind of pal around with, and she actually knew my roommate, who was my roommate for like 2 months, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, it's a small world after all. I don't have anything else to do. Okay, bye. heading out. It's approximately 6 o'clock. And because it's winter quarter, they have a couple of extra times that the buses run. And instead of having to wait till 6:15, I have to wait till 6:05. Oh, and this is a hat my dad got me for holiday, and it is really just a giant pullover hat, and it came like this, but you can pull the lip down so that my hair and head and ears can actually fit inside of a hat, and I don't have to have a cold head in the winter. Alhamdulillah. Yeah. Now we don our giant pack. Grab our empty water bottle. Oh, it's okay. Everything ears sit here. Yeah. And if it's too cold, hood. I've got my ID. On one of those retractable string things. Let's go. Still be in the hallway. Still got lights on some of the trees outside though. Okay. I'm outie. Bye guys. Y'all, I got a problem. I love tortilla chips so much. Like so much. Like I bought this bag today. It was full. You couldn't see through this little clear panel that lets you know that you ate all your chips. I can see through the panel. And I ate like most of the chips. And I don't care. And the worst part is, I'm still eating them. Because they're just good. And these ones, okay. You're not going to see me. Because I took my hijab off. And I'm not putting it back on. Because it's 8:30. So I'm going to taste this chip for you right quick. And hope that you don't see my dirty room. Taste this chip. So you can listen to how thoroughly crunchy the Frontera small batch authentic taqueria tortilla chip is. Oh, and I'm watching some Evelyn from the internet and drinking water. Right there, that's water. So, listen. The best part is, I ain't doing a whole lot of extra chewing. I'm not out here smacking with my mouth open right in the microphone so it sounds extra loud. I'm just eating chips. And that's what they sound like. They are that crispy. And crunchy and robust. Does it say that they're robust? No. Just authentic. Restaurant style. Stone ground kind. For those of y'all who are worried, there's no gluten, no GMOs, preservatives, which means you gotta hold the bag really good so your chips don't get stale too quick. No trans fat. Oh, thank you for that. And I can pronounce all of the ingredients. I'm not saying that just because I can't pronounce all the ingredients. I mean, no JK. I'm a scientist. I took organic chemistry. I can pronounce just about every ingredient I see, even if it's something weird, you know? So, I'm gonna go back to eating chips and watching Evelyn from the internet, because I like her a lot. Oh, crap. I bit a chip and spilled all the salt onto my face. Okay, that's how you know I need to stop recording and eating and making y'all stare at this bag of slowly decreasing chips. I'll either eat these for another 2 hours or until the bag is empty, or I'll go get 4 digestive biscuits. They're the Cadbury kind, so one side is coated with chocolate. It's amazing. Alright, bye y'all.